hinter. Ja.
Yeah, welcome to Wörthersee.
Okay, passt. And what do you think?
Schauen wir mal.
Ja?
Kann man lieber sehen, was sie finden. Das Auto ist Kommissarie, also ich muss.
Ja.
So you should probably already see. Lambo guy. It's also here.
There's a lot of cars.
After like 1.5 hours of waiting, it was our turn to get the car tested. Initially, police would not really believe us that the wing and everything else was stock on the car, but Mani did some very convincing work of googling a Viper ACR, so we got that sorted. During this, the police officer was also looking inside the car to see if he could find any switches or anything else to see if the exhaust has been tampered with.
Yeah, I'm a free man and my Viper is too. The car was too loud, 10 decibels too loud, which is actually quite interesting because it's supposed to be factory.